There we go. A little problem with my video capture device, but no, I want to use the command prompt version. I'm going to go ahead and use the command and player. Okay. And now that's set as a default. Echoes left that they're running a virtual machine and video capture software on top of all this. But it's actually pretty decent performing. And now that I've set the file type association, okay. There's my volume there. And let's go look at a few other items. Let's see. We'll go over here to sound. And in sound, let's go ahead and go to, and here, and there's our Styx album art. Let's see. Probably wondering what the song about Bill Gates is about. Well, oh yeah, this will bring back memories. Billy Thorpe. And let's go ahead and see what our file type association is here. We want to actually use XMMS with this, or VLC would also be a good player, but let's go. I'm going to add XMMS in. Now, because of GNU restrictions, some of the default players don't actually work in Fedora or Ubuntu with different media formats like MP3s or WMAs. Now, you can get around that, but remember, it's just a little hard. You just have to tweak it a little bit. And if you're patient with the learning curve, you can actually create a pretty powerful multimedia machine under Linux.
Setting fire to the sky is the ending. Carrying to the world, children of the sun.
Some Billy Thorpe going on there. Okay, so we've looked at MP3s and AVIs, movies, MPEGs. Let's check a couple of more. So anyway, that's some of Fedora Core 6. Just some of the open source software that you can download. Here's VNC I have set up and installed, just a VNC viewer I can use to log into a Windows machine or another Linux machine that has that installed. Edutainment, there's lots of games that I use for my kids on Frankenstein. There's probably about 30 or 40 of these, and just in this category that they like to play. And it helps them teach them math or spelling and things. For games, running this in a virtual machine with video capture software running, I probably don't have enough resources to do this any justice, but this is a pretty good OpenGL game. It's a lot like Unreal Tournament, if you've ever played it. And it's pretty amazing. It's all open source and it's completely free. If you want to try some of these games, I'll actually have to get like a video camera and film this so I can actually use my full system resources. Some graphics tools. There's a very famous editor for graphics files. I'll try to load up this Delirium, and this particular program isn't so bad. It loads fairly quickly when you're not running it through a virtual machine. And here's the night sky, and add the grid lines there. And there are the constellations. And I'll go ahead and overlay them. Now they're labeled. There's Pluto, and just kind of help you track things and figure things out there. But It's really, really nice software. Um, Wine. In this case, again, this just lets you run Windows software. Um, Basically allows you to run Windows software on a native Linux machine. Just some Bluetooth things and a virtual machine manager for VMware Server. Sound and video VLC is really good. Nice DVD player. Programming, here's all of my compilers and things that I have set up. Kdevelop. Don't have it on this one. On my Ubuntu, I've got NetBeans. That's one of my favorite Java compilers. OpenOffice, Internet. This is kind of neat. Celestia Space Simulator. I like using that as well. That'll just give you some ideas of some applications and things under Fedora.